All right, everyone, welcome to MASC, that's MASC. We're gonna be walking directly in. Take a look at this amazing swag. They have fabulous gear here. Just picked up one of the SkyDrive swags. Thank you very much for that. So now we're gonna be actually doing a tour of the MASC Center, and let's go and let's get started. Awesome. So this facility is absolutely fabulous. They actually have a full-size drone walk-up via e-hang. You can walk directly towards the aircraft. And this is quite amazing. And if you've ever seen a flying car, this is what it actually looks like. This is actually made by e-hang. And you can take a look at some of these powerful motors that it actually has right down below. Quite an interesting design where the payload actually sits on top of the actual motors themselves, but you can see it is quite spacious inside. Two beautiful seats, plush leather, and nice, amazing big touch screens directly in the front. So we'll make our way across over to their simulator. And actually, I believe they have two simulators here. And earlier I picked up this swag by SkyDrive, and that's going to be, I believe, a Japanese company going to be doing that. But we have a volocopter simulator. I had the opportunity of flying this sim earlier, and it was actually quite amazing. I'll show you some video later on, and here's some video of this actual aircraft flying, being tested here in Japan. So it's quite amazing. As we can see, that same aircraft. Again, this is MASC. They specialize in Japanese beyond visual line of sight flight, and from what I've been told, the SkyDrive aircraft will be flying this summer. So quite a beautiful facility, highlighting all of the innovation currently happening in Japan. And thank you for inviting us in today.